Ergonomic keyboards reduce wrist strain, improve posture, and prevent repetitive stress injuries, ensuring comfortable, efficient, and healthy typing. Today's video is about top 5 best ergonomic keyboards for typing that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Sablute Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard, experience all-day comfort and productivity with this full-size wireless keyboard and mouse combo, ergonomically engineered for extended office or home use. Its innovative wave-shaped design encourages a natural hand position, reducing wrist and forearm strain during long typing sessions. Paired with a cushioned, leather-textured memory foam palm rest, it ensures lasting comfort, while adjustable 4 degrees and 7 degrees tilt angles let you find the perfect typing height. Connectivity is seamless thanks to the reliable 2.4G wireless connection, with effortless switching between Windows and Mac devices via simple FN shortcuts. The included RGB mouse and 7-mode backlit keyboard bring vibrant illumination to your workspace, enhancing key visibility in low-light environments while giving your desk a sleek, modern look. Forget disposable batteries. Both devices feature USB-C fast charging, complemented by intelligent auto-sleep modes to maximize energy efficiency. Designed with daily use in mind, this combo delivers a balance of comfort, style, and functionality, making it an ideal choice for professionals, gamers, and anyone seeking an ergonomic and visually appealing typing setup. Now our second product is Meetion Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. The Feel the Wave Ergonomic Keyboard is designed for natural, comfortable typing, featuring a scientific wave key layout that follows the natural movement of your fingers. Its standard membrane keys deliver reliable, consistent feedback, while the curved surface encourages wrists and fingers to stretch naturally, creating a relaxed typing posture. Compact yet thoughtfully designed, it may not suit users seeking a full-sized keyboard, but its ergonomics make long typing sessions much easier. The new ergonomic design balances comfort and familiarity, letting users adapt instantly without the steep learning curve of split keyboards. Even ergonomic keyboard beginners can type efficiently while enjoying wrist relief. The built-in hard plastic palm rest provides stable support, keeping wrists properly aligned during extended work sessions. Connectivity is seamless via a 2.4 GHz USB-A wireless receiver, plug and play, with dual system layout compatibility for Windows and Mac OS devices. Intelligent power-saving features, including auto-sleep after 20 minutes of inactivity, extend battery life and maximize efficiency. Overall, this wave keyboard offers a comfortable, practical, and reliable typing solution for professionals, students, and anyone seeking ergonomic improvement without compromising work efficiency. Our third product is Colikes Wireless Keyboard and Mouse. The Wave Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard and Mouse combo is crafted for comfort, efficiency, and style. Its ergonomic wave-shaped key layout, soft leather wrist rest, and adjustable 7 degrees tilt foot reduce wrist fatigue, making it ideal for remote workers, coders, and professionals who spend long hours typing or gaming. Featuring 9 customizable backlight modes, including 7 colors, 1 RGB effect, and a single color breathing mode, the set allows effortless brightness adjustments with dedicated one-touch controls. The illuminated keyboard and mouse make late-night work easy while adding a sleek, modern aesthetic to any workspace. Connectivity is seamless with a 2.4 GHz wireless connection offering up to 33 feet of range. Plug-and-play functionality ensures quick setup, and the included USB-C interface allows fast recharging. The keyboard runs up to 400 hours, 30 hours with backlight, and the mouse up to 100 hours, both supported by intelligent auto-sleep mode for energy efficiency. Dual system switching supports Windows and Mac layouts, while the silent keys and mouse clicks make it perfect for quiet home offices. This combo delivers ergonomic comfort, long battery life, and stylish functionality in one package. Now number 4, ProtoArc Backlit Bluetooth Ergonomic Keyboard. The ProtoArc Ergonomic Keyboard delivers full-size comfort with a uniquely curved split-frame design that actively reduces wrist and forearm strain while promoting proper posture. Its scooped keys are shaped to fit your fingertips, making typing natural and effortless. While it occupies more desk space, the ergonomic benefits make it ideal for long work or study sessions. New users may experience a brief learning curve, typically 1 to 2 weeks, but the design helps relieve muscle pressure for lasting comfort. The keyboard features soft white LED backlighting with 3 adjustable brightness levels, providing up to 100 days of battery life with the backlight off. The cushioned wrist rest offers 54 more support, and adjustable tilt feet allow 3 different angles, keeping wrists relaxed whether sitting or standing. Connectivity is seamless with Bluetooth and 2.4G USB options, enabling quick switching between up to 3 devices. A 2000 mAh USB-C rechargeable battery ensures long hours of use. Smart auto-sleep modes conserve energy, making this keyboard a perfect blend of ergonomic design, comfort, and productivity for professionals and remote workers. And our last choice is Nulea Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. The Nulea Ergonomic Keyboard offers a thoughtfully designed split layout that promotes a natural typing posture, reducing strain on your wrists and hands during long work or gaming sessions. Its ergonomic split design aligns perfectly with the hands, helping prevent fatigue and improving overall comfort for daily use. Connectivity is seamless with dual-mode wireless functionality, supporting both Bluetooth and 2.4G connections. This allows effortless switching between multiple devices, making it ideal for professionals, students, and multitaskers who need a flexible setup. The keyboard is rechargeable, offering up to 200 hours of uninterrupted battery life, eliminating the hassle of replacing batteries and keeping your workflow smooth. Comfort is further enhanced with an oversized leatherette wrist rest, providing soft, skin-friendly support that reduces wrist fatigue over extended typing periods. Adjustable tilt feet offer 3 customizable angles, allowing users to find their optimal typing position and maintain ergonomic alignment. Designed for both functionality and comfort, the Nulea Ergonomic Keyboard combines durable build quality, long battery life, and user-focused features, making it a practical choice for anyone seeking an ergonomic upgrade to their workspace. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.